Today's announcement is a significant milestone for Homerun Resources. The company has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Cebrace, Brazil's largest float glass manufacturer, to evaluate a potential strategic partnership in solar glass. This is direct validation of Homerun's Silica to Solar Glass initiative from one of the most important industrial players in the Brazilian glass market. Cebrace is Brazil's leading float glass company and the product of a joint venture between Saint-Gobain and NSG Group, two of the world's largest flat glass companies. The MOU covers two key areas. First, potential supply of solar panel back glass for Homerun solar products. Second, strategic advisory support from Cebrace for the development, implementation, and operation of Homerun's planned solar glass manufacturing facility in Brazil. This is an evaluation phase, not yet a definitive supply contract. The parties will work through technical, commercial, financial, and regulatory feasibility, including production capacity, logistics assumptions, potential volumes, and delivery timelines. For shareholders, the message is straightforward. Homerun is moving from concept to execution on its Brazilian solar glass strategy with a top-tier industrial partner. This kind of engagement reinforces the credibility of the company's plan to build a differentiated solar glass platform in Brazil. As outlined in Homerun's previously announced bankable feasibility study, the current configuration for the solar glass facility contemplates two front glass processing lines, one back glass line, and one hybrid line. If the MOU ultimately leads to a successful commercial arrangement, Homerun would consider reconfiguring the plant to operate three front glass lines and one hybrid line, reflecting stronger alignment with front glass demand and technical support from Cebrace. Front glass is the highest margin, highest value product in the facility. Increasing front glass capacity could represent a meaningful improvement in the projected economics of Homerun's solar glass facility, enhancing the value of the project if the partnership moves forward on commercial terms. This MOU represents another important step in advancing Homerun's vertically integrated solar glass strategy in Brazil and supports our objective of building a differentiated solar glass platform with strong local supply chain alignment and technical depth. The big takeaway is that Homerun is now advancing its solar glass initiative alongside Brazil's leading float glass manufacturer. That combination of resource, technology, and industrial partnership is exactly what the company has been working toward as it builds a vertically integrated silica-powered platform in Brazil. Homerun Resources continues to execute on its silica to solar glass strategy, and the Cebrace MOU marks an important step in that journey. For more information, please refer to the company's latest news release and public materials.